Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most in-depth and unbiased reviews of the latest products. Today, we're looking at a kitchen gadget that promises to make your meal prep easier and more efficient. The KitchenAid Go Cordless Top-Down Chopper, model KTCR350, in a sleek porcelain white finish. If you've ever been frustrated by tangled cords or the limitations of nearby outlets when chopping your ingredients, this might just be the answer you've been waiting for. Let's explore what this chopper is all about. The KitchenAid Go Cordless Top-Down Chopper is designed for simplicity and convenience. With its 3.5 cup capacity, it's perfectly sized for daily meal prep. The standout feature here is its cordless design, giving you the freedom to move around your kitchen without being tethered to an outlet. This makes it a great option for smaller kitchens or anyone who's tired of dealing with the usual cord restrictions of traditional kitchen appliances. Plus, the top-down design allows you to chop right in the included bowl, meaning less mess and fewer steps in your prep process. The chopper operates with a single speed button, making it easy to use. You can either press and hold for continuous running or simply press and pulse, depending on your chopping needs. This feature is especially helpful for those who prefer a quick and straightforward way to chop veggies, fruits, or nuts. The included stainless steel blade promises durability, so you can count on it to handle a variety of ingredients with ease. A really nice touch is the storage lid included in the package. This allows you to chop, prep, and store your food all in the same bowl, eliminating the need to transfer chopped ingredients into another container. Of course, if you need more capacity, KitchenAid also offers additional bowls, which are sold separately. The unit also includes a shield to prevent food from flying out during use, which is always a plus when dealing with high-speed appliances like this. When it comes to real-world testing, the KitchenAid Go Cordless Chopper performs admirably. The cordless feature in particular is a game changer. It's light and portable, and I had no issues moving it around the kitchen, so even when chopping a few different ingredients at once. The top-down design really does make it easy to handle, and the chopper doesn't feel bulky or cumbersome in hand. It's intuitive to use. Just press and go. Whether you're chopping onions, prepping herbs, or grinding nuts, this little appliance handles it all with ease. The stainless steel blade does a great job of delivering a consistent chop every time, without much effort from your side. But no product is without its shortcomings. The fact that the battery is sold separately is a bit of a downside, as you're essentially paying extra if you don't already own a compatible KitchenAid battery. And while the 3.5 cup capacity is sufficient for small to medium batches, it could be limiting if you're preparing meals for larger groups. Also, while the one-speed button is straightforward, it would have been nice to have multiple speed settings for more control over the chopping process. Now, let's talk about value for money. The KitchenAid Go Cordless Top-Down Chopper is priced at a premium compared to some of its corded counterparts. But considering its cordless design, ease of use, and the quality of the materials used, it does offer reasonable value. You're paying for the convenience of cordless operation, and KitchenAid's reputation for quality in the kitchen appliance space is certainly a factor to consider. However, it's important to factor in the cost of the battery, as that's an additional expense that could push the overall price higher than you might expect. In terms of comparisons, there are a few alternatives on the market. For instance, the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus, which comes with a cord, offers a similar 3-cup capacity and a reliable chopping experience. However, it doesn't offer the convenience of cordless operation, so if portability and cord-free usage are essential to you, the KitchenAid Go Chopper is likely a better choice. There are also budget-friendly choppers available, but they usually don't offer the same build quality or top-down design, which enhances ease of use and reduces mess. When it comes to build quality, KitchenAid is known for its durable products, and this chopper doesn't disappoint. The materials feel solid, and the stainless steel blade is sharp and reliable. The overall construction seems built to last, but because this is a relatively new product, we don't have long-term data yet to predict its durability over the years. However, based on the brand's reputation and my initial impressions, I'm confident that this chopper will hold up well over time, assuming proper care. If you ever need customer support, KitchenAid has a good reputation in the industry for responsive service. However, since I haven't had to deal with any customer service interactions personally with this product, I can only go off the general sentiment surrounding the brand. Most users report positive experiences when reaching out for support. Now, let's wrap things up. The KitchenAid Go Cordless Top-Down Chopper is a solid appliance with a unique set of features that make it stand out. The cordless convenience and top-down design are particularly useful for anyone who values ease of use and portability in the kitchen. The build quality is impressive, and it's clear that KitchenAid has put a lot of thought into making this a practical and reliable tool for everyday meal prep. However, the lack of multiple speed settings and the additional cost of the battery could be deal breakers for some. All in all, I'd recommend the KitchenAid Go Cordless Chopper for anyone looking for a compact, easy-to-use, and portable chopper for smaller batches. If you're willing to invest a little more in the battery and prefer a cord-free experience, it's definitely worth considering. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future reviews. If you have any questions about the product, or if you already own one, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Reviews Inside TV, we've got the inside scoop on all the best products.